Let's continue chapter 7. Now we are going to discuss about deforestation. Deforestation means cutting off forest. But before that, let us know how forests are useful to us. Forests are rich in biodiversity and they are home to a large varieties of animals. Forests provide the three basic necessities of living things, that is water, food and shelter. Let's know some other uses of forest. You know very well, the roots of plants hold soil together and they prevent soil erosion, which is caused by flowing water and wind. Now, the forest renews oxygen. Plants use carbon dioxide and give off oxygen during photosynthesis. They maintain the water vapor in the air by transpiration. They also help to retain rainwater for longer time, which in turn helps to maintain the water table. Forest is a home to timber producing trees. The timber is used for building homes, ships, aircraft and furniture. Forest is also a source of several edible plants, fruits. Then it is also a source of gum, dyes, etc. Many kinds of medicinal plants grow in the forest. They are also a source of livelihood for tribal people living in the forests. As I have told you that deforestation means cutting off forest. So let's know what are the causes of deforestation. There are a number of reasons for that. First is to obtain wood for fuels and to make furniture. The second reason is to obtain land for agriculture purposes. The third reason is to obtain land for construction of homes, buildings, commercial purposes. This is called urbanization. Then the deforestation is done to obtain wood pulp, to make paper. Then overgrazing by cattle also give rise to deforestation. So, there are other natural causes such as forest fire and severe droughts. Now let's discuss about consequences of deforestation. Consequences means the effects or the result of deforestation. It has adverse effect on the environment. Deforestation causes soil erosion. We know that the roots of the tree hold soil particles together, but in the absence of the roots, soil becomes loose and is carried away by water and wind. If this continues for a prolonged time, the land would lose its fertility and turn into a desert. This is called deforestation. Plants absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. Due to deforestation, there is an increase in the carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere. As carbon dioxide traps the heat in the atmosphere, it results in an increase in the atmospheric temperature. Now, due to increase in temperature, the water cycle gets disturbed and the amount of rainfall decreases. This results in drought. Due to decrease in the number of trees, the rain does not infiltrate or percolate into the soil. There is excess runoff water that gets collected and leads to flooding. Floods also cause soil erosion. In the absence of trees, the soil fails to absorb rainwater. This causes depletion in the level of groundwater. Therefore, water table also decreases. Deforestation results in the loss of habitat of plants and animals, which affects the biodiversity of that region. Now, this is all about the consequences of deforestation. I hope you must have understood all the topic very well. Thank you and have a nice day.